In the name of Allah, who is most gracious and ever merciful. Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my dear fellows. I am Danial Ahmed, your host for today's morning assembly. Bright and early with hopes high and spirits soaring. Let us begin this new session's first day in the name of Allah. After tilawat and recitation of Holy Quran, I invite respected Principal Ma'am Farwa for new session speech. Good morning to you all. Welcome to the new session and to the next new class. The nature works in a beautiful rhythm. The sun rises and sets, night is followed by another day. Seasons come and go. The whole universe follows this pattern, so we also have completed a cycle. We are about to start another. There will be new books, new activities, new assemblies, and new victories. I want to congratulate you for this progress. I advise you to get to work straight. You are also growing every day. You are always welcome to approach your teachers or me in case of any problems. School is your second home and your teachers are your guardians. I wish you good luck. I wish you start right away. Thank you.